Hi everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see the review of the Sugarpop Cosmetics. So Sugarpop is a brand which is a sub-brand of Sugar Cosmetics. So we all know Sugar Cosmetics has a lot of quality products. So this Sugarpop is an affordable range of makeup products. They have a lot of makeup kits, combos and offers which are there in the Sugarpop website. So today we are going to see one of the makeup kit, which is the Glitter and Go Festive Kit. So this is the Glitter and Go Festive Kit, which has been newly launched by the Sugarpop brand. So this Glitter and Go Festive Kit has around 20 makeup products along with this pouch. This costs around 2,199 as per the website. So there are a lot of offers in Sugarpop website, and currently there is an offer where if you buy more than 1,999, you get a 10-in-1 makeup kit and also an additional 25% discount. This is the 10-in-1 makeup kit. And also you get an additional 25% off. So altogether, all these products, that is around 30 products, I got it for 1,599, including the discounts and UPI offers which were available in the website. So it's definitely affordable, but let us see how the quality of the products are. So I will go through all these products which are there as a part of this kit, and later on I'll do a makeup look with these products. So please wait until the end of the video to see the final review of the products, whether it is good, worth it, and if you can go ahead and purchase these products. So stay tuned. First, let me show you the products which are part of this Glitter and Go Festive Kit. So as I mentioned, there are around 20 makeup products. So I'll start one by one. So the first thing is a moisturizing gel. The next one is a micellar cleansing water, a liquid foundation, a compact, a blush, a primer, a mascara, an eyeliner, a makeup sponge, 2 liquid matte lipstick, 1 satin matte lipstick, 1 perfume, 2 classic nail colors, 2 glittery nail colors, and 2 scrunchies. So these are the products which are part of the Glitter and Go makeup kit. So this is the 10-in-1 kit which I got free along with this Glitter and Go Festive Kit. So let's see what's part of this. You get a lip balm, a liquid matte lipstick, a kajal, 2 nail colors, some stickers, bookmarks, and a journal. And you get this pouch. So now let us create a makeup look with all these products. So I'm gonna cleanse my face. I'm gonna use all the products which are part of this pack, most of the products which are part of this pack. So let's get started. Okay, now I have cleansed my face. I do not have any products on my face. So I'll start with the moisturizing gel. So this is the Glow Boosting Rose Gel. So this has got this rose smell. So mine is an oily skin. So I hope this moisturizer will suit me. So let's see. Okay, this seems to be really good. It's giving a mattifying finish and doesn't leave my skin oily for now. Now I'll use this lip balm. This is of flavor peach. Next we'll go with the primer. So this is the primer. It's a perfecting primer. This is a gel based primer. This is blending in well, but I think you need to use a little quantity rather than more. I think I used a little bit more. It feels a little heavy for me. Now let's get on to the foundation. So this is the foundation and I have chosen the shade Fig. So this is the last shade which was available So I believe this will suit the dusky skin tone, which is my skin tone, a medium to dusky skin tone. So this is the shade. I think it might be a little dark for me. Try. I'll use this makeup sponge. It's not really giving a good coverage. Let me try another way. I'm using a blending brush. So this is from PAC. Okay, this doesn't give a mattifying finish. Probably this will be good for dry skin people. But for oily skin people, I think you need to use, compact, a matte compact to ensure it gives you a good look. Now we'll use this compact. This is of shade Honey. I'm just using this powder brush to apply it better. I think with the compact it gives a better outcome. But this is definitely a very low to medium coverage, the foundation. It's not a high coverage. You can probably build it up by applying more. Now we'll use the blush. This is of shade Sienna. I'm going to be using this blush brush. This seems to be nicely pigmented. I hope you can see. I'm applying it and I'm blending it. So there is no eyeshadow in this range, so I'm going to be using the same blush to apply the eyeshadow. Okay, it looks good. Now we'll get onto the eyeliner. Now the mascara. Now I'll use this kajal. So this is a brown kajal. The kajal is more like a red rather than brown, but it complements the eyeshadow and the blush, so I like that. Next we'll go to the lipsticks. So there are 4 lipsticks together. So one is this satin matte lipstick, and this is of shade Lily. 3 liquid matte lipsticks. So one is the shade Rust, one is the shade Terracotta, and the other is the shade Rosewood. So I'm going to be trying Rosewood today. So this is a nice, almost dark shade. Okay, so the lipstick, it's a liquid matte lipstick. It feels a little sticky. It is transfer proof, but a little bit sticky. I think probably after some time it will become better. So I've also tried the shade Lily. So if you see the initial part of the video, I have used this shade Lily. So you can have a look at that. So this is the completed look with the sugarpop makeup products. So there are a few more products which are there, like concealer and highlighter, if I'm not wrong. But these are the items which are part of this festive kit, and I really like these products. Most of the products are really good. The moisturizing gel, the primer, the blush, the lipstick as well. Everything is almost good. The foundation seems to be very low to medium coverage, and the shade is a little bit darker for me. I should have taken a little lighter shade, but with the compact, it goes on well, as you can see. But apart from that, all the products are good. It is affordable, and it is definitely a good choice to go ahead and purchase the sugarpop products. So that's the review from my end. So if you like this video, please go ahead and click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.